I thought I lost everything, but looking back now, God was leading me into my purpose. I made $164,000 in 1 month in real estate. I bought my dream car. My law school application was complete. I thought I knew exactly where life was taking me. The next call I expected was, funds are wired. Instead, God was writing a different story. For over 2 decades, I built in real estate, residential, commercial, leadership, brokerage, and I loved it. I knew how to build business. I just didn't know God was about to rebuild me. My daughter came home from college for summer break. 3 days later, she was in a car accident. The weeks after became recovery, physical therapy, appointments, and eventually we thought she was okay. And then about a month and a half later, everything changed again. The injuries escalated. I got the call and I ran to her. At the same time, 2 major deals were moving. They were negotiated, signed, and executed. The work was done. Contract terms were breached. And my portion, $164,000, was gone. And in that season, life asked me a question. Who are you? Who are you when all the titles get quiet? Lesson 1. You are more than what you do. Thankful I never abandoned residential. That business sustained us. I kept closing. I reduced expenses. We shifted. We adapted. And I even drove Uber at times. But in all of it, our focus stayed the same. Her healing, her peace, and somewhere in all of it, I found mine too. Lesson 2. Peace is success. When she rested, I rested. When she slept, I slept. And in those quiet moments, YouTube was built. I thought I was building another income stream. But God was building purpose. Because while I thought I was losing everything, He introduced me to myself. I began sharing things I never thought I would. My hair loss, regrowing. I talked about menopause and the weight gain and my journey to walking off the weight. And women around the world started finding themselves too. Lesson 4. Healing shared becomes healing multiplied. out of this came the books, the hair growth line, and the soft life movement. And despite all of the roles, I stepped into purpose. Lesson 5. Sometimes loss is redirection. I'm Tricia Bachoo, broker, mother, daughter, sister, builder, friend, and creator. And despite all of the roles, I found me. If life changed for you too, keep going, love. God may be still writing your story.